Hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a Portfolio Activation Specialist from the Cisco Customer Experience Center. In this video, we will discuss the Enterprise Agreement calculation methods, value shift, and pure consumption. You can verify the calculation method in the Consumption Report page in the column Calculation Method. Here we have value shift. With value shift within the same suite, it is possible to shift the dollar value of unused licenses to amortize the costs of overconsumed licenses. That means that these 153 overconsumed Wireless Advantage licenses will be amortized by these unused 1,300 DNA Spaces licenses. This calculation will be automatically applied by Cisco's TrueForward team on your TrueForward event. With pure consumption, this is not possible. That means that these unused 4,200 ISA-based licenses will not be used to amortize the overconsumption that we see in the remaining entitlements. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.